too.
Yeah.
Alright guys, so this is our storage unit. This is not ours. This is this little small piece inside of it. We're gonna go in here and unbox some pallets for you. Not get ran over. Come on in. Pallet 1, pallet 2, and pallet 3 is back there.
Alright guys. Hey YouTube, what's up? So we're back with you today and we're going to be showing you a true unboxing of a Target pallet we picked up.
So this is called Target Furniture. There's going to be some general merch in here as well.
Already have my Target app ready, like I said in the last video, but I want to show again. You hit the scan button right at the app, well maybe, and it will scan the products that you're looking for and give you the price of it.
Alright.
There's some stuff right here I want to pull off. It's small before. Oh, those are so pretty. So look, this is our first thing off the pallet. Some frames.
Some light bulbs. Have some more sheets. Hopefully no curtain rods today.
Well, I just can't get my phone to show. Let's see.
Curtain rod.
I'm seeing if I can turn this down.
Another curtain rod.
So let's see if this will show up this time. There we go. 50 bucks.
Alright, this is a light.
Another floor lamp.
Yeah, these sell really well.
Yeah. Let me get a...
What's going on here? Let me out.
Uh-oh.
You got it.
You got it.
Okay.
Oh, cool.
Yeah.
Mirror.
We never had one of these before.
Here, you want me to help you?
Yeah, so this is a mirror.
Yeah, that's
I
neat.
can see that.
Huh.
So,
I've never seen that.
has some shelving on the bottom of it. Really cool.
So see what we were showing you, like picture frames and stuff like that. Target just packs their stuff really well. I mean, 4 for $4, not broken.
Except for trash cans.
Yeah, trash cans are always dead.
At least it's bigger than our last one. Oh, it stinks in there. This hasn't been used, has it?
Don't be
It smells like body odor.
I think we just hit the jackpot on curtains again, but look, I have a bunch of sets.
Both of them.
Yeah, I think so.
Alright, so
That
no
match.
curtains. Anything here that's not a curtain? Oh, this is, I don't know what this is.
Oh, I don't want to lose that.
Not sure what that is.
Let's see what this is.
Who cares? Alright. Got some more lights. Are those lights?
Yeah, they're the same.
Oh, great. So these will sell together.
I want to see the price of these. Gotta show them everything. So those lights are $17 a piece. I wish I knew how to fix that. I turned my lighting down, but... So, stuff we've been looking for.
So this is a shelf. So this we might use at home.
Yeah.
With all of the product that we have. We may end up using this one. Because we need some more shelving.
Mm-hmm. Cool.
Alright.
Cool. Save us some money. Hey, look,
that's
it's
a
your simple human.
Is it
Here
simple?
you go.
So is it simple or simply?
Simple.
Okay. So it is simple human, and this is what I was talking about. This thing right here is $140.
We'll scan it just to see. Do you see it?
That is crazy, man.
It doesn't have a scan on it.
Why is so much? Like,
Right here, let me scan on the side.
like it comes with trash bags. And,
Yeah, this is so neat. Comes with the trash bags. We're actually selling these, one of these Monday to one of our buddies we're going to meet with. That one's great.
I don't get it, but I'm sure someone likes it.
Wow. Sweet.
Alright. Whatever this is, it's full of. Alright, so this is a box of goodies.
Oh, like a throw.
It looks like, keep this together, some more curtains.
Oh, this is so cute. Got like a daisy hanging basket in which we've actually started selling our fox plants lately. So.
Yeah, that's nice. This one's cool. It's
Yeah,
kind
that's a cool
of festive
color.
looking. Maybe this fall.
Got another pack. So another picture frame. Some more essential oils.
So there's a scale in this, a little pink scale.
Yeah, that's cute. That's from the...
More curtains.
Hey, they're coming in packs. I'm happy about that. Okay.
Alright.
Cool.
Dang, man.
I don't know what that is. It doesn't have a picture on it. If you want to lay it down, you can. Oh, it's an outdoor fire pit.
Okay, this is cool.
Here we go. Look here.
An outdoor fire pit.
Yeah, so let's see. Yep. So neat.
Way cool.
Plow and hearth. Let's see how
I
much
like
that is. Right here.
Is it?
It's out of stock, but it's 159 bucks.
Nice.
Right there. That's pretty.
Damn. Waymaker. That's what we like to see.
That's a good one. That's brand new.
This is really good.
Yeah. We'll sell that for 100 bucks. You got it. It's not heavy. Yeah. We'll wait for this for us. I think. Oh no, it's heavy.
A little more cutting here. A little more cutting. What is this?
It's a cube organizer, but
Oh,
that
great.
bottom's open.
Okay. Just this or that
So,
too?
no, just this. Is there a scan on it? I'll show it to him.
So, cube organizers sell faster than anything else on a furniture pallet by far.
Oh no. Sorry, this is a bookshelf. But bookcases sell just as quick.
I don't know how to say that.
Remember those other
I wouldn't
ones?
say that.
Okay, not
They
as
sell
quick.
fast, but not as fast.
Up here. This is a good pallet so far. Yep, it did. Cool. So, what? These tables we just got. It is $93.99. So probably we'll sell it 75 bucks. Threshold. We like thresholds. Come on, you know you want to scan.
the light.
Oh, look at this desk, Brandon.
Okay, we got a desk. Desk also sell really well. They can't see me.
Move it back.
I know, but then they can't see me.
Yeah, they can.
I mean, can't see the pallet.
We just got this desk. $99. Yep. Let's see what we got here. Oh, we've already got one of those before. But this is the big one. We had the little one. So, bookshelf. $139.99. Yeah.
We got a lot of work to do.
I know. Woo! Pretty quilt.
Okay. Alright. So,
Oh
see this big
my
box?
gosh.
It is just full.
Slammed packed.
Do you have your phone?
Huh?
I see your phone.
You want light?
Yeah. Yeah, so you can see it's just
Packed full.
full of stuff. This is the stuff you'll get though.
Yeah, which is okay.
Yeah, this is great. Look at these. These are like
Are they for the shower? Yeah, they're grippers.
bathtub soft grips. I thought they were coasters.
Oh, look. Brandon.
Yeah.
Lava lamp.
Yep, my lava lamp.
Oh, we got some Swiss Army down there. This is something we need to open in front of them. Baskets, they're broken.
Alright. More curtains. We need a place just for curtains.
We'll have to find. I've got them starting to stack right there. Ooh, rug. Rugs sell really good as long as they're pretty. I know I told y'all in that last video.
More curtains. Curtains and curtain rods. Okay. So what's going on here?
And curtains.
Yeah, this goes with that.
They heard Brandon, so this is what they sent him. Curtain rods and curtains. Oh, that's pretty.
Yeah, it is.
What is it?
It's unique looking.
Some towels.
I don't know what this is. I guess it's a blanket.
Let me see. No, it's curtain.
Curtain?
Yeah,
okay,
curtain.
I see. Yep.
But that could work as a little nice blanket.
Some festive
Some
looking
towels.
stuff on it.
Curtains.
So many curtains. Man. Anybody wants to buy curtains, go to Tight Marketplace on Facebook. You can buy them all. We'll sell them all to you. The whole lot. And the rods.
Woo.
I'm not going to show her this yet. Make sure it smells good first.
I heard that, but I didn't see it. See, look at this. Look at these things. I can't even get in there. I'm too short. I can't reach in. Ah. Yeah. This is what I was saying. This is what we've been looking for to go above our those windows in the living room. Look at that. These are cool. Looks like there's 4 of them. They don't look like they're broken either.
I'm also sure. What's that? Oh, okay. A lot of perfume. Cat's out of the bag. There's lots of perfume in this.
No, are they perfume or are they like the sticks? I think they're
That looks like perfume to me. Why does it smell like an old lady?
the scale. These sell really quickly. People who are wanting to start their fitness journey.
Oh, this is nice. Skip hop. Show them that.
Ooh, skip hop. So, skip hop. Anything baby, we love. We are,
This smells like
we are baby fanatics. Anything baby, we will take.
they're not like baby stuff sells really well.
Yeah. Oh, Come on.
Okay.
I wanted to see how much this was.
I think this is another curtain.
I want to see. Oh, so neat. It goes in like a basket. See? That's really cool.
What's this?
Sheets.
Okay, sheets.
Silky sheets.
Alright.
This is what I was wondering about. Oh, placemats.
It's just milk. Oh, this is for Santa.
Oh, reindeer treats, milk, and the cookies. That's really cool. That's what I was wondering. Look at you.
Alright.
Wall cabinet.
They can't see that. Well, you jump. The wall cabinet. Alright, and then this guy.
I don't know what this is.
So,
Let's see right here. It's outdoor. Can you see that?
this is coming home with us. We're keeping this.
No, we're not.
Yes, we are.
No, we're not.
Yeah, next is the grill.
Here, let me see if I can scan it.
Nothing? Alright. So that is a table and outdoor chairs.
Found it.
Found it?
Yeah. So these are things, this was the last thing on our pallet we found. Hold on, I've figured it out for now. $250.
So we're definitely not keeping that. Turns out we're selling it.
$250, nope.
Alright.
So as long as everything's good on it, that will pay for over half the pallet.
So that is one Target pallet.
So that's what a true Target unboxing looks like. It looks like it's about 60-40%. So 60% being home decor and other things like that, 40% being furniture. We're going to tell you what the retail is after we get it all in our inventory sheets. And if you like these unboxings, make sure to subscribe, tell us what we can do better or what you would like to see. Thank you so much, YouTube.